हमारे बहुप्रतीक्षित कार्यक्रमों की शुरुआत एक मधुर गीत से करते हैं। एक सुंदर गीत हमें सुनाने यहाँ मौजूद है हमारे विद्यालय के अनमोल रतन 10वीं आके गोकुल।
വാതിൽ തുറക്കൂ നീ കാലമേ കണ്ടോട്ടെ സ്നേഹസ്വരൂപനെ കുരിശിൽ പുളയുന്ന നേരത്തും ഞങ്ങൾക്കായി പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ച യേശു മഹേശനെ വാതിൽ തുറക്കൂ നീ കാലമേ കണ്ടോട്ടെ സ്നേഹസ്വരൂപനെ കുരിശിൽ പുളയുന്ന നേരത്തും ഞങ്ങൾക്കായി പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ച യേശു മഹേശനെ വാതിൽ തുറക്കൂ നീ കാലമേ അബ്രഹാം പുത്രനാം ഇസ്ഹാക്കിൻ വംശീയ വല്ലിയിൽ മുട്ടിട്ട പൊൻപൂവേ അബ്രഹാം പുത്രനാം ഇസ്ഹാക്കിൻ വംശീയ വല്ലിയിൽ മുട്ടിട്ട പൊൻപൂവേ കണ്ണീരിലാഴുമ്പോൾ കൈ നീ തരേണമേ കടലിനു മീതെ നടന്നവനെ കണ്ണീരിലാഴുമ്പോൾ കൈ നീ തരേണമേ കടലിനു മീതെ നടന്നവനെ വാതിൽ തുറക്കൂ നീ കാലമേ മരണസമയത്തിൽ മെയ് തളർന്നിടുമ്പോൾ അരികിൽ നീ വന്നണയേണമേ മരണസമയത്തിൽ മെയ് തളർന്നിടുമ്പോൾ അരികിൽ നീ വന്നണയേണമേ തിരുകൈകളാൽ എൻ്റെ ജീവനെടുത്തു നീ റൂഹായിൻ കുദിശയിൽ ചേർക്കേണമേ തിരുകൈകളാൽ എൻ്റെ ജീവനെടുത്തു നീ റൂഹായിൻ കുദിശയിൽ ചേർക്കേണമേ വാതിൽ തുറക്കൂ നീ കാലമേ കണ്ടോട്ടെ സ്നേഹസ്വരൂപനെ കുരിശിൽ പുളയുന്ന നേരത്തും ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ച യേശു മഹേശനെ വാതിൽ തുറക്കൂ നീ കാലമേ. മേരി ക്രിസ്മസ്.
School, sit.
Thank you so much, Gokul. It was a fantabulous performance. Chess is the art which expresses the science of logic. But do you think this game is enough to save a country? Yes, it is. Our next program will answer you. Let me welcome the talents of Class 9 on stage.
Mathematics is not just about numbers and equations. The biggest lesson it teaches is that every problem has a solution. A very warm good morning to all. Today, on the birth anniversary of one of world's eminent mathematicians, Sri Srinivasa Ramanujan, Shreya, Rohit and Avanish of 9th D are here to perform a skit. The title of the skit is Gold or Grain, Power of Power.
Once upon a time, there lived a king named Veer Pratap Singh. he had a vice prime minister, Gyandev. The king liked to play indoor games, so he asked his people to create an interesting yet challenging game, and whoever comes up with an amazing idea will be suitably rewarded.
Many people came up with new ideas and games, but the king didn't like any of them. One day, a man came in and proposed the
Your Majesty, I have invented a new game called chess.
Tell me more about it.
This is a board game with 32 whites and 32 black squares. This game is played between two individuals.
Let's play then.
The king got so indulged in the game that he even forgot to take his lunch.
This is so interesting. Is it Gyandev ji?
Yes, my lord, I clearly see.
This is so good. What you deserve for this great invention.
If you think this is invaluable, then just give me half of the treasure of the kingdom. Don't you think that is asking for too much? I'm sorry, my lord. I became greedy. Say how about for the first square of the chessboard, I receive 1 grain of wheat, 2 grain of wheat for the second one, 4 for the third one, and so forth. Doubling the amount of grain each time. There are just 64 squares on the board. It is not asking for too much. Is it, Prime Minister?
Something is fishy here. I know for a fact that this man is too greedy.
The king thought that the man was making fun of him by asking him too little as a reward.
Agreed.
But on one condition, it is time for the king to take rest. Our Lord will take rest now. Let us meet tomorrow.
Whatever you see, I accept, Prime Minister. Thank you, my Majesty.
Gyandev ji, why didn't you give him what he asked for and finish his request right away?
My Lord, what he asked for was...
Oh, really? I never saw this way. The next day, while taking a nap, the man imagined wheat grains being calculated on the board. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on.
Slowly, one bag after another was getting filled with grains. The minister was exhausted. The kingdom's treasury was being drained as the king kept buying grains from the farmers.
Please, Your Majesty, don't take these grains away. I have to feed my family.
Eventually, the king was left with an empty treasury. The king had to give his crown to the man, and he became the new king.
Ha 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 ha. Oh, such a nice dream. Early morning dreams are always true. Today, I shall be crowned as king. Let me get ready fast. Your Majesty, I am ready to collect my reward. What is your condition, Prime Minister?
Nothing much. As promised, you shall receive 1 grain of wheat for the first square, 2 for the second one, and so on, doubling the amount of wheat grains for the 64 squares in the chessboard.
What? Let me estimate the number of bags required.
The man calculated the number of bags needed in his mind and understood that it was impossible to complete the task by evening.
Oh no, it is impossible. I am sorry, my lord, I became greedy and thought of fooling you by my intelligence. But now I realize my mistake. From now on, I shall use my intelligence constructively for good of people and not to fool them.
Ha 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 ha! I forgive you. After all, you have created such a wonderful game.
The man learned his lesson and left the court. The moral of the skit is that intellectuals solve problems, genius prevent them. On this special day,
Let us thank the Indian genius in the field of mathematics,
who is none other than Sri Srinivas Ramanujan.
for all his invaluable contributions. With this, it's me, Malavika.
It's me, Malavika S. Nair.
it's me, Yamana.
And me, Niharika,
Signing off.